Morning class. I am your English teacher Aditi Day. As you all know that yesterday I have completed your exercise A and B. Today I am going to continue with the exercise C, D and E beta. According to this, you have to complete this work in your English language fair copy children. And if you feel any problem, you can ask me in the class group or personally also children. Exercise is very easy, so go through the video. It is give you better understanding how to solve the exercises beta. So you have to write this in your English language fair copy. Don't ask again and again that I have to fill it into the book or copy it. Make sure that you have to do this work only in your English language fair copy children. And now from on today onwards you have not to use rough copy. You have to complete your work in your English language fair copy only. So let's start with the video. Okay children. Class, as you all know that yesterday I have completed your exercise up to B. Today I am going to continue with exercise C beta of same chapter lesson 1 the sentence. So mention today's date, that is 24/3/21 at the right side classwork. So exercise is given like this. Add suitable words to the following groups of words to make meaningful sentences. First one is given dash my school. You have to add some words to complete the sentence beta, to make it meaningful sentence. So dash my school, you can write it like this. This is my school. Next is dash love fruits. They love fruits. Dash is in the classroom. Teacher is in the classroom. Dash a glass of water. Please give me a glass of water. Grandfather is sleeping. Dash is good for health. Walking is good for health. Book, the book is in my bag. Okay, so you all have to complete like this as I have completed. Come to the exercise D. Use your imagination and make sentences using given phrases. First is in the street. So first one is given in the street. This is the phrase. You have to add it into your own imagination. Use sentences. So first what I am giving, first sentence I am going to write like this. People in the street are walking through zebra crossing. Okay, come to the next page. So in the next one, beautiful red car. This is given, phrase is given like this. You can write it like this. My neighbor has beautiful red car. Next, on the roof, the man is standing on the roof. A cup of coffee. Please give me a cup of coffee. Complete the sentences and always put the full stop at the last and start with the capital letter. Very high speed. She is driving. She is driving the car in very high speed. Full stop. To drive a car. Give me a chance to drive a car. At the last, full stop. Walking after eating. Walking after eating is good for health. Dash in my bag. There are books. There are story books in my bag. Okay, complete it like this. Come to the next and last exercise E. You see, when you open your book, you see there is a picture of a princess and a picture of a parrot. You have to see the given pictures and write 3 sentences each with proper uses of capital letters and punctuation marks. So you have to, while seeing this picture, you have to write 3 sentences on this picture and start it with the capital letter and end with the punctuation mark. Okay. So the first one is, she is a queen. She is a queen. Okay. At the last, put the full stop. Her crown is made of gold. Put a full stop. At the last, third, her dress is purple in color. Okay. Come to the next. There is a picture of a parrot. You have to write 3 sentences of it. Okay. So write it like this. It is a parrot. Okay. Next. What a beautiful bird it is. And at the last, it is green in color. It is green in color. So complete it as I have completed in your English language. Fair copy, children. Okay, beta. If you feel any problem, you can ask me in the class group or personally also, beta. Okay. Thank you.